Welcome everyone, and thanks for joining today. In this video, we will walk through how to disable notifications on the Trello app using an Android phone. Notifications can sometimes become overwhelming, and knowing how to manage them helps you stay focused without distractions. First, open the Trello app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the account icon. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings. Now, under the Notifications section, tap on Open System Settings. This will take you directly to your phone's notification settings for the Trello app. Finally, turn off Allow Notifications. Once this option is disabled, Trello will no longer send alerts or notifications on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thank you very much for watching.